Did your Dyson V8 just die after only 5 minutes of cleaning? You pull the trigger, get exactly 30 seconds of suction, and poof, it's dead. If you're spending more time charging your vacuum than actually cleaning with it, you're a victim of the fast battery drain. It's the #1 frustration for Dyson V8 owners. So, why is your powerhouse acting like a paperweight? It usually comes down to the lithium-ion cells. Over time, these cells lose their ability to hold a steady charge. And if you're a max power mode addict, well, you're essentially asking your battery to run a marathon at a sprinter's pace every single day. Pushing a failing battery doesn't just waste your time, it can eventually lead to total circuit failure. But don't go spending hundreds on a brand new vacuum just yet. RoboCare is here to save your vacuum. At RoboCare, we've handled thousands of Dyson repairs. Our technicians know inside and out. We understand that a Dyson isn't just a vacuum, it's an investment in your home. Our team utilizes advanced battery diagnostic equipment to measure discharge rates and pinpoint whether the issue is a simple cell fatigue or a deeper circuitry fault. Once diagnosed, we replace faulty components with genuine parts. We don't just fix the symptoms, we solve the problem at its core, so you can get back to a clean home without the constant recharging. Now let's get to the results. Look at that. We've restored this Dyson V8 to its original factory stamina. Maybe even better. Pure suction power, zero interruptions. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If you're struggling with a dying battery or any other issue with your Dyson, don't let it stress you out. Seriously, call the experts. RoboCare literally brought my vacuum back to life. They're honest and they know these machines inside and out.
Ready to restore your suction? Contact RoboCare now. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.